Repair.
Yes, hamper. Ay, sir, hamper pa lang.
Yes, hamper. Pasok ka, pasok ka.
Mga pumuna na din dito.
Sir, sino dyan video? Kapiwan? So, isa sa balang.
Now we're going now to do your occupied bed. Okay, so this is your bed. Let's say ito yung pasyente niyo. There. Okay? So, actually, the occupied bed, dapat bago kayo mag-occupied bed, you will be doing for sure bed bath. Mag-bed bath muna kayo, but of course, hindi, medyo matagal si bed bath kasi. So, tapusin muna natin si occupied, then saka tayo mag-bed bath next week. Okay? So this is an occupied bed. Ano ibig sabihin ng occupied bed? Ibig sabihin occupied bed is you're making bed for a patient kung may pasyente doon sa bed. So kung natapos yung kahapon, you're done yesterday with the unoccupied. So alam niyo na kung anong closed, open, and surgical bed. Remember that class kasi during your national assessment, ipapagaw sa inyo lahat yung mga yun. Then of course this one, occupied bed. And then you will be doing the bed one during your national assessment. Okay? So this one, let's say this is a real patient. Of course, so kailan kayo magpapalit ng beddings? Pag once na nag-request si patient, okay, nag-request yan, and then, pag totally soak yung linens ni patient, kailangan, kasi yung mga bedridden, yung mga pasyente ninyo bedridden, hindi nakakapunta ng toilet, biglang nga dyan, tayo na yan, iihi na dyan. You will be the one to change the clothes. Remove your jackets, please. Tagalin yung mga jackets ninyo. Remove. Lahat. Kaya nga. Okay? So first, is what you're going to do now is what once nag-request si patient, once the patient requested na okay, kailangan nyo at least change yung watcher, yung patient, please kailangan nyo i-check yung mag-change sa beddings ng yung pasyente. Okay, so then you will do that. Okay, and then pag nakita nyo na let's say nag-vital signs kayo, and then suddenly nakita nyo basang-basa na yung pasyente, then there, change the linens. Okay? Hindi na kailangan na, ma'am, since si patient ganito, of course, you have to inform your nurses station, ma'am, so na kasi si patient ganito, kailangan na natin, kailangan kung palitan yung bed sa kasi soap na. You have just to inform, sige, kasi actually naka-inventory lahat ang mga linens. Because inventory, naka-inventory yan. Okay, so alam nila na nagpalit kayo ng linens ni patient na ganito. Okay, first, what you're going to do now, so you're going to check nyo muna. Okay, what you're going to do first is what? Of course, before you're going to approach the hand wash muna kayo. Okay? Okay, hand wash muna kayo. And then, so wait lang. Okay, excited. Okay, so dapat kailangan pa na ng gloves. Banjo, tanggalin mo kung may gloves dyan sa kwan. Kay sa mga cashier. Hingi ka, kwan ka ng dalawang pairs. Okay, so there again, what you're going to do na nag-handle siya kayo, you have to approach the patient. Anong gagawin niyo? You have to inform. Kailangan sabihin si patient. Okay, ma'am, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am, good morning, sir. I am Daisy, your caregiver for today. Okay? So, medyo according to may nag-request po na kailangan palitan namin yung beddings mo or masyado na po kasing soap yung linens mo. So, kailangan po natin palitan. Okay, so I will be change your linens and with this, I will be touching some parts of your body. So, okay with you? Yes, so ganito, mag-ask kayo ng consent. Kasi nagagalaw yung katawan niya. Okay? So, pag sinabi niyang yes, then there, yes. Okay? The first thing you're going to do is what? Tanggalin niyo muna ito. Siyempre ka, to breathe. So, What you're going to do first class is what? You have to check nyo yan. Lahat ng mga kung anong meron dyan sa patient. Lahat ng mga, baka may mga needles dyan. Tignan ninyo. Okay, you have to check. Okay? Check nyo yan. Okay? Check nyo lang lahat sa mga yan. So ito muna ang tatanggalin. So check nyo kung may mga needles dyan, kung may mga gamit siya dyan whatsoever. So check nyo kung may mga needles dyan. So done? Okay? Ganyan dapat yan. Hindi naman nakapasok. Okay? So then there. Done. Okay? Next would be, tapos na, chinek nyo na lahat. Kung may mga needles yan, what you're going to do, kunin nyo yung needles with the tissue whatsoever, or may pick-up forceps, ilagay nyo sa sharps. Okay? Protect yourself. Okay, next would be wash hands. Okay? Wash hands again, according to WHO, then there, you're going to wear your gloves. Actually, during your bed making, kailangan nyo maraming gloves. Tignan ninyo. Isulat ko kailan guys ang
Hindi ko yung gloves ni mama.
But I will just
Hindi ko yung
say,
gloves ni mama.
I will change gloves, then this part.
Ang garden pa
You wear new gloves.
Sir, doon sa pag-check, naka-wear ka na ng gloves mo na doon.
Pwede rin, but better wear gloves. Okay? Next would be, since ganyan na, so magpapatid tayo. Again, prepare nyo na yung mga kailanganin ninyo. Then, untuck yun na ito. Lahat, untuck. Untuck nyo na. Okay? So there. So na-untuck nyo na lang siya. Okay, so where are you? Kung saan kayo mag-work na side, doon lang yung kunin nyo. Okay, so then after na-untuck nyo yan, remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. So second, pangatlo na. Pangatlo na, di ba? Okay, so it's your third. Okay? Now, since ganyan na, so we're now going to what? Position na natin si patient to the doon muna. Dito muna tayo mag-work sa part na to. Okay? So paano tayo mag-change? Do you know kung paano reposition si patient? Recovery position? Do you know? Side lying. So muna ninyo, ang una nyo hihilahin is the blanket, ay the pillow. Okay? Okay, ma'am, I will turn you on your left side. Okay, so there. There. Then, what? Sorry. Okay? So, touch ito. Okay? Okay, ma'am, at the count of 3, I will turn you on your left side. 1, 2, 3. There. Hawak ka dito. Ay! Sorry. Ulit. Sorry. So, kailangan nyo muna pala tanggalin si blanket. Okay, blanket. Pag-return si patient. Okay? Then, saka natin ilalagay si hot blanket. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi kong hot blanket. Pang-cover na sa patient. Saka muna. Kaka excited.
Sumiksad din.
Okay, so there. Now, next would be, kukunin na natin yung what? Yung top sheet. So, hold this, sir. Ma'am, hold this. Hold. Ganyan, hawak niyo.
Malamdamin na ka no. Gargar pa.
Okay, so there, kukunin niyo sa ilalim. Okay. Mm. Then, next would be yung 90 turn na natin. Okay? The count of 3 mamaya, turn your left side. 1, 2, 3. Hawak ka lang din sa right side. Okay? There. Siyempre, always provide privacy to your patient.
Yes.
Okay, next would be, now, i-roll nyo na itong mga to. Okay? I-roll nyo na itong mga. Okay? First, roll the
Robert.
draw sheet. So, ganyan pag-roll pa rin. Draw sheet, rubber sheet, and the bottom sheet. Next. So next would be, now you're going again to what? Remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. Pang? 4. Okay? Now pag meron na kayong new gloves, now you're now going to sanitize the bed. Mag-sanitize na kayo ng bed. Now you're only going to use what? Warm water. Huwag kayong gagamit ng alcohol, please. Pag occupied bed, warm water lang. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So you still using the 4 folds. Okay? 4 folds pa rin yan. Sanitize natin. So there. Warm water lang. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay? Done? Okay, so what next would be, discard yan. Discard yun na yan. Okay, remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. Pang 5. Now, we're now ready to lay our linens. Okay? Mag-lay na tayo ng linens. So this is your bottom sheet. Same na procedure. Okay. Drop na nyo, di ba? Drop. Roll. So, ang pag-roll na dito is pang lobe na. Dapat, ang nagtatouch na dito is ito. Okay? Kasi ito na sa ilalim ito eh. Okay? Yes. So, ang pag-roll niya is ganyan na yan. Okay. There. Okay? Dapat ang nagtatouch sa madumi, yung sa ilalim. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Second your hand.
Yes, sir.
Hindi naintindihan labas. Diyos. Joke. Joke. So dapat kung kaya pinakad sagad, isagad nyo para sandali. Okay? There. Then, tak. Tak nyo dito. Okay, then, my turn. Yes or no?
Yes.
My turn kayo dapat agad Okay? Okay. Si my turn. Next one, my dad.
Binigay mo lang.
Rubber sheet. Iksi naman ito. Para ba mas mahaba? Rubber sheet. Okay? Next, top sheet. Ay, draw sheet. Diba? Okay. Okay? Done? Yes or no? Yes, done. So we're now going to start. Then you have mga wrinkles mo. Okay? Yan. Okay. Next would be what? Ano next na natin is now we're now going to put sa what? Pillow. Magpipilo na tayo. Kasi hindi pa na-participation dito. Yes or no? Yes. So next would be, pag natapos yan, maglalagay kayo ng pillow. Maglalagay na tayo ng pillow. Okay?
Do you have a problem with me? OA.
Okay, gagawin yan ha. Okay. So since yun ang magiging door natin, okay, so dito magiging door natin. Okay. There. Lagyan na natin to. Okay. Ilagay nyo. Malinis na to, di ba? O, dapat malinis na rin yan. Okay, next would be what? Okay. Remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. Okay. So, 6 na, di ba? Okay, so now next would be, so that bago ng gloves natin, right? So there, as you can see, di ba linis na to? Okay? Now, we're now going to, tanggalin nyo na si dirty pillow. Okay? Okay, ma'am, I'm ready with your pillow, please.
Slide.
Okay, then, okay, so ma'am, so, isusupan na natin si patient. Okay, at the count of 3, ma'am, I will lay on the bed. Sa supine position, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next would be, so ililipat na natin si patient sa side, kabilang side. Okay? And then, okay, ma'am, on the count of 3, I will turn on your right side. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3. Sige, sige. Okay? There. Okay. So here, ano una yung tatanggalin? Hmm? Of course, lahat yan, di ba? Tatanggalin natin. But the unang-unang tatanggalin nyo dito now is the rubber sheet. Yung rubber sheet, separate ito kasi hindi pwedeng labhan to. Okay? Nakaseparate na yan. Okay? Next would be the draw sheet. Okay? Next would be the bottom sheet. Next, okay, let's again remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. 7. Okay, ito na. Then, we're now sanitize the bed. Okay? One, 2, 3, then 4. Hard. Okay. Next. So, remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. 8. Bakit isa yung marami ito? Okay? So, dapat bumili kayo ng isa kayong box. Okay? Okay? Once na nilagay na yan. So then, my turn. Yes?
Yes.
Stop, my turn.
Wala. Wala. Nabis kasi.
Okay, next would be the rubber sheet. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Then the Sadali, madam. Sige, balik ka rin. Tulog ka na? Okay, now then, you're now going to tap.
Uy. Exit. Okay? Okay. Next.
Kala natin si patient. So natapos na, so we're not going to lay the patient on the supine position. Okay, ma'am? And turn on your left side. 1, 2, 3. So dapat nakasupine na siya. Okay? There. Okay. So, okay. Okay, next would be, now we're going to use the one. Put the, again. Next would be, remove gloves, wash hands, wear new gloves. Na? Top sheet na. Okay? Ganyan straight ka lang, madam. Parang awan mo yan. Okay? Then, drop. Okay? So, roll. Same. Then next would be the blanket. Drop. Minsan yun yung kumahaba na. Then, pop. Ito yung ginagawa niyo sa deadlifting mo. Pop. Yes or no?
Yes.
Di ba pop tayo kaagad dyan? Okay? Kung mahaba, tap nyo muna. Okay? Okay? Now next, what you're going to do now is mapakrawa. Tanggal nyo na si back blanket. Huwag yung kakalimutan to. Tanggalin. Okay? Now, okay? Pagtanggal, what you're going to do now is what you're going to pack. Pack dito. Topic sir, hindi pa. Mamaya ko magka-topic. Ayusin mo yung pack. Okay? There? And there, that's the time you're going to do your miter. Okay? Then, tap. Then mo mabuti. Next. Okay. Miter. Okay. Back. Whew. Init. Pwede taas ko para makuha mo dito. Okay? So, toe plate. Kukunin lang to. Try nyo lang ang ganyan. Yan. Ganyan lang. Huwag kayo magkagawa ng toe plate. Kasi occupied bed na yan, ibig sabihin nandiyan yung pasyente. So, what you go, try nyo lang ng konti. And then, okay? Done. Okay? Then, what you're going to do now is one. Okay? Okay, ma'am, thank you for your cooperation. If you need anything, I will be at the nurse station. If you need anything, please press the call bell. And I will attend your needs as soon as possible. Okay? Remove gloves. Wash hands. And then, remove gloves muna. Aftercare kayo. Ay, mag-aftercare muna kayo before wash hands. And then, that's the time you are going to remove your gloves. Then, hand wash. And then, what you're going to do now next would be what?
Documentation.
Done. Oh.